What's up everyone, how are you doing? Back with me, Christy again. In this video, I'm going to make my favorite dessert, cheesecake. How will my cheesecake be? Are you curious yet? Well, let's get started.
Start off with the base. For the base, we are going to need biscuits and melted butter. Now, we are going to crumb our biscuits. I'm using food processor in this video, but if you don't have one, you can put your biscuits in a plastic bag and bash it with anything you have. Just remember, use a clean plastic bag. Biscuit crumb, butter in. Now, I'm going to transfer the biscuit crumbs. In this video, I'm going to transfer it to 3 small containers. Besides, because I'm making a small batch, it's also convenient in space and looks cute, isn't it? By the way, if you don't have these small containers, feel free to use any containers you have. In this video, I also use a food scale because I want to divide my batch evenly. After that, flatten your biscuit crumbs. In this video, I'm using the back of my spoon. It should be looks like this. Now, put our biscuit crumbs into refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to set. Next is the filling, which consists of cream cheese itself, of course, my homemade sour cream, strained yogurt, castor sugar, vanilla extract, and gelatin. Mixing bowl, scraper, and balloon whisk. First off, we are going to cream our cream cheese in mixing bowl by using our balloon whisk. Next, sugar in. After that, add the strained yogurt and sour cream. Next, the vanilla extract. And last is the gelatin. Now, give them the last good mix. To make sure everything mixed thoroughly, I'm going to use the scraper. Now, transfer your cheesecake mixture into the container of your preference. The cheesecake mixture is going to the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight for the best result. Now, let's check our cheesecake. Feel free to decorate your cheesecake with any topping you like. In this video, I'm going to use a store-bought jam.
So that's it for today's video about my batch cheesecake. What do you think about my batch cheesecake? You can give it a try and let me know in the comment section down below. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and like the video if you enjoyed them. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.